That's what I get for doing this in flip-flops right there. That's what I get for trying to use my phone to do it.
Is it still stuck in your foot?
Yeah.
How can you just stand there like that? Oh, God.
Ouch! So they're pretty good.
Do we gotta go to the hospital?
No.
Oh. I got tweezers handy.
Yeah, perfect.
Here you go.
Thank you.
And I got band-aids.
Okay. But yeah, you can keep filming.
I think you should put your shoes on.
Yeah.
You're tough. Oh, you're tough.
That's what.
Oy.
Oh, that's what I get.
Oh, man. Let me see you.
I'm alright. It hurts, but I'm alright.
You're tough. I would have been like screaming. You want some band-aids?
Yeah, I'll just come and put some gauze and Lego tape over it.
Do you want me to give you a piggyback ride?